Happy Wednesday from a central beach spot in Stockholm. And I can't believe that I have been living in Stockholm for 10 years and I wasn't aware of this secret beach spot in the central part of Stockholm. This is Stallmästarholmen, located in the Brunnsviken in Norrmalm, actually, or on the border between Norrmalm and Vasastan, something like that. So very central, and it is out on the lake Brunnsviken. That it's actually connected to the Baltic Sea afterwards, and I can see already the public beach, Brunnsvik, spotted from here on the other side, which is an official public beach. So this one over here, it isn't, but it has sandy part as well, and it is very easy to get into the water. And it's located right next to the mini port here, with lots of boats of the people living in the central area of Stockholm. So quite nice park, very central. I thought that Hornsberg was one of the most central beaches, but this is even more central. And I think there are plans to make this a public beach going forward, because there are some criteria that they need to fulfill. Anyway, I'm out for a quick lunch swim today here, and it is 5th of June 2024, 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and I have measured the water. It's 24 degrees, so very warm, which is amazing. And that means that it's time for beach day number 54 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. So let's take a dive together and enjoy here. We can see Albano on the other side of the lake, which is the university campus of Stockholm University, that has also housing for students as well. And we can also see Solna, Bergshamra and Solna in the distance, the border between Stockholm and Solna municipality. So quite nice beach, if you ask me. I'm not sure why there is nobody here right now, but it's lunchtime in Stockholm, and I hear some music in the background coming from somewhere. Anyway, okay, the water seems a bit colder right here compared to where I have measured, so it might be a bit more chillier here. But anyway, it's still well over 20 even here. So then let's dive in and enjoy this beautiful sunny day. It's amazing. It's amazing how nice this beach spot is, and I have been living in Sweden now for almost 10 years. I'm turning 10 years in January actually, and I haven't visited this spot. To me it's a mystery. How did I miss this one? And there are many people jogging along this Holmen, or as they say, it's a peninsula actually, it's not an actual island. But yeah, it's super nice indeed. So yes, beach adventures with Chris continue as scheduled, and to be fair, the water smells a bit different here, but I think it is fine for a swim anyway. And it is not my first time swimming in a not official beach location. So yeah, cool. Then that's a wrap from this soon to be made public beach, I hope so, because it's very nice, in the central area of Stockholm, out on the lake Brunnsviken, Stallmästarholmen. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.